In today's video, I'm gonna be making one of the most delicious and unique Haitian rice, diri shella, fried fish and legumes. Welcome to Emma HT Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make this delicious recipe, you guys. I have here some diri shella Haitian rice. I have here some poisson, some coconut. This is the rice that I'm using, you guys. And I have some pigeon peas too. I'm gonna start first by clean up the fish and let it marinate. And now I'm gonna start by frying the peas to make the rice. Add the pigeon peas and I'm gonna add some salt and water, let it cook. But the rice, you guys, you need to even start clean up the rice even before you start cooking the peas, you guys. You need to take your time to clean up this rice because it required more time to clean it up. There are some dark things you have to get out of it, some old rice like that are very old, you have to take out of it. So you need to take your time clean it up. It's very important. And also another thing, you need to wash it very well, about like 3 to 4 times. You need to wash it with a lot of water. Even you can even use warm water to wash it so you can get rid of the old taste on it, you guys. So the piece is cooked. Now I'm gonna add the coconut milk on it, and after that I'm gonna add a little bit of season. I don't really like to add salt, and then just a punch of salt, you guys, and some parsley and thyme, and some bell pepper, some cloves, and hot pepper, you guys. So now I'm covering it up, and now it's dry. I'm gonna take the hot pepper out, everything that I don't really need, and mix it a little bit and cover it up for about like 30 minutes, let it cook. So this legume, you guys, that I'm gonna be making, it's similar to Asian legume, but it's an Italian recipe that I saw online. You have to start first by frying some garlic and then add the onion, let it fry a little bit, add the tomatoes, zucchini, eggplants, bell peppers, all the colors, and some potatoes. And then you're gonna add, for season, you're gonna add black pepper and salt. And I added some season, but it's totally optional, you guys. When I tell you this recipe is delicious, it's full of flavor. And I will have to add some basil once it cooked, you guys. The legume is cooked. I'll take it from the garden, you guys. And now I'm gonna start by frying the fish, you guys. You can use any flour, but this time I was using all-purpose flour. That's how we like to fry fish. And I'm gonna fry it up, you guys. I'm gonna let it fry till it gets brown a little bit, you guys. That's how I like my fish. I like it very crispy on the outside, you guys. You can fry it like whatever you want, you guys. So this is how I like to fry it. That's how I fry it this way, you guys. Some people don't like it that way. I'm gonna let it brown a little bit. Now the fish is ready. Look at this, you guys. It was so crispy on the outside and, you know, well cooked on the inside, you guys. Look at this, you guys. So, wow. I'm gonna finish frying the fish, you guys. Yeah, this is how I like to make it, you guys. And the kitchen, you guys, smells so good, you guys. Now I'm gonna pick up some. I'm gonna check on the legume to see if it's cooked, you guys. If it's cooked, I'm gonna grab some basil, like I said, from the garden to add into it. The basil is very important. Look at the legume. Now it's cooked. I'm gonna grab some basil from the garden to add into it. When I tell you, it's literally very important to add the basil because it's gonna bring like all the flavors and out of this dish, you guys. It's very important. This Italian recipe, I just saw it online one time, and then I keep doing it because I love it. And look at this, you guys. The food is ready. So look at this, you guys. So wow, when I tell you I enjoy this recipe, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.